Are you looking to get started being a content creator and make videos for YouTube but don't know how to get started with? Well then, this video is exactly for you. Simply watch this step-by-step complete guide to know how to make YouTube videos and get started with your YouTube journey. Hey folks, Smart Cutout from DaVinci Resolve back with another video, and today I want to show you all a complete step-by-step guide on how to get started with making YouTube videos for beginners. First, in this step-by-step guide for beginners, I will show you all how to create a YouTube channel, build content plan, and how to edit YouTube videos for beginners, which is the most important part of being a content creator on YouTube. So without wasting much time, let's get started and firstly know how to create a YouTube channel. But first, if you already have a channel, you can move ahead and skip till video editing part of the video. So firstly, let's go ahead and know how to create a YouTube channel. Now to create a YouTube channel, simply go to youtube.com and then on top right corner, you will get sign in button. Click on it. Now simply sign in to your Gmail account, or if you don't have any, you can simply create one. Once you are logged in, you have created a YouTube account. Now simply click on this profile button, and to create a YouTube channel, click create a channel. Now here you need to set up channel name and YouTube handle. This can be anything, but I will suggest you to make it unique so that you can stand out among others, just like my YouTube channel DaVinci Originals. Also, you should add a profile picture for your YouTube channel. Now simply click create channel. Now once all this is done, you are simply ready with your YouTube channel with basic things. But here I will suggest you to verify your channel so that you can upload videos up to 15 minutes, add custom thumbnail for your YouTube videos, and live stream. Also, this helps you one more step towards getting advanced features like uploading more daily videos, creating YouTube shorts, and also being eligible for YouTube monetization. First, there are so many things to do, but for now you have a YouTube channel with basic settings and also have verified it. Want me to make more videos on this topic? Do share reviews in comments. Now first that you have a YouTube channel, what about creating content for this? First, there are many factors to having success on YouTube, and one of them is delivering content consistently. You must have many ideas for creating content, but first, you should have a clear plan for creating YouTube videos. So you must decide on content carefully and then shoot it. Now once you have your video ready, you should edit it to make it more interactive and professional to stand out among others. Now let's know how to edit videos for YouTube. But then the question is, which is the best video editing software for YouTube videos for beginners? First, there are so many video editing programs that are free, but others cost a lot. Do your research. You can sign up for free trials and understand the limitations of the program and requirements you need. If money is a factor, you might want to stick with free options. You can use any video editing software like DaVinci Resolve, Adobe Premiere Pro, or if you are Mac user, you can also try iMovie or Final Cut Pro. Or you can also try the most affordable option, Wondershare Filmora, which is the best video editing software for YouTubers, as it offers clean and simple UI along with some of the best video editing tools like keyframing, motion tracking, speed ramping, green screen, and so on. Not only this, it also offers some of the best AI video editing features like AI text to video, AI copywriting, AI Smart Cutout, AI music generator, and much more. That's not it. Wondershare Filmora comes with some of the amazing video effects, preset templates, AI portrait, Boris FX, NewBlue FX, and more. Now here is a secret and answer to the most asked question: how I edit my YouTube videos. Well, I use Wondershare Filmora 13 to edit my YouTube videos. Here you can see the project files I simply love the features along with ever expanding assets collection within Filmora like built-in templates, titles, effects, stickers, stock media and audio. The best part, Wondershare Filmora is available for desktop, be it Windows or Mac, is available for tablet, be it Android or iPad, and is available for mobile devices as well, be it Android or iPhone. So without wasting much time, let's get started to know how to edit videos for YouTube for beginners, and for this we will be using Wondershare Filmora 13. Let's know how to download Wondershare Filmora. Simply follow the links in description and pinned comment to visit Wondershare Filmora official website. Now here click on Get Started for free. It starts downloading. Once Wondershare Filmora free download completes, click on it to get started with installation process. Once installation gets completed, click on this to open it. Now here we have Wondershare Filmora 13 with all its features and capabilities. The interface and everything makes it so easy to use Wondershare Filmora video editor. At top we get the option to select aspect ratio. As we are going to edit videos for YouTube, select wide, that is also default. But if you are making videos for YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels or TikTok, then you should use portrait mode. Here first we get the option to create a new project. Next we get the option like instant mode, screen recorder, AI text to video, AI text based editing, silence detection, avatar presentation, AI copywriting, instant cutter, auto beat sync and auto reframe. And here in local projects, it shows all the video editing projects that you have created with Filmora. Now let's get started to know how to use Wondershare Filmora to edit YouTube videos for beginners. And for that, simply click on new project. Now see, here we have Wondershare Filmora video editor. So clean and simple UI, so you can also edit videos even if you are a beginner. Now for first we need to insert our media files like video, images and audio that we are going to use in our video. Once imported, we can simply drag and drop them to timeline. First, here is a pro tip. You should always edit your videos from last, as we always have our best take in last only. So it makes sense to edit videos from last. After we have added media files to timeline, we should cut, trim and remove unwanted parts from our video. Now to remove our unwanted part from a video, simply place a pointer and then click on this to split. After that, select the part and then click on this to remove it. Same way, you can also remove all unwanted parts from video. You can also crop your video to adjust yourself on a screen. So to crop a video, simply select the video and then click crop. Now from here we can adjust aspect ratio to crop unwanted things on a screen. Here we also get the option to use pan and zoom effect. Select start and then end ratio, and then after that click apply. Once we have cropped and removed unwanted parts from our video, it's time to add assets to our video like stock media, lower thirds, titles, stickers, social media handles and more. And to add stock media, simply click on this. Here we have thousands of media like video and photos in Wondershare Filmora library. But if you want more, then you can get assets from Pixels, Giphy, Pixabay and Upslash as well. Simply download the stock media you like and then add it to your video. Like I have liked this one, then I can simply download it. Now drag and drop it to timeline. See, it looks cool. Not only stock media, Wondershare Filmora also comes with AI image generator that helps to create an AI image that we can use in our video. See, here we have AI image function. Simply create one and then add it to your video. Likewise, we can also add titles and stickers to make your video more appealing. Now let's know how to use Wondershare Filmora to add transitions to our YouTube video. And for that, click on transitions. Here we have so many transition effects that we can use in our video. we can preview them directly here, and then to add it to video, simply drag and drop it between two clips. Likewise, we can add as many as transition effects that we want to. Now to make our video more professional, we can use templates. Here we get so many templates that we can use in our video, like this logo reveal. See, these are simply awesome. Let's add this. Once we have downloaded, simply drag and drop it to timeline. Now double click on it. Here comes editor. Now to change logo, simply import your own logo and then click on add to template. See, our logo is added to intro. See, we can also add any of these templates to your video as per your requirement. We can also add effects to our video to make it cool and attractive. And for that, simply click on effects. Now see, here we have some of the cool effects that we can add to our video, like these edge scale, weak signal 2 and more. Bloom Originals video editing tutorial, how to edit YouTube videos for beginners. Wow, that's just insane. So effortlessly it has made the video look so cool. We have so many effects that we can use in our video. Well, what about adding our own green screen effect? Well, for that, simply click on this to import them. Once imported, simply drag and drop it to timeline. Next, double click on it. Here in settings, click on AI tools. Now here you will find chroma key effect. Simply toggle this on. Boom, you are done. You can also change these settings if required. You won't be required to change it, as Wondershare Filmora uses AI to make it perfect for you. Now that we are done with editing and have added assets to our video, what about adding music to our video? So now let's know how to add music to YouTube video, and for that simply click on audio. Here you will get so many sound effects along with music. First, you need not to worry about copyright or content ID, as any audio or music available with Wondershare Filmora is copyright free. You can use them without any worry in your YouTube videos. Let's add this music to our video. Simply drag and drop it to timeline. Now to match it to our video, simply drag, or we can also split and delete. You can also change volume levels for your background music so that it does not overpower your own voice in the video. Not only this, Wondershare Filmora also comes with option to generate AI music. So you can also create your music using AI and then use it in your video. Now once we are done with editing the video, let's export it, and for that click on export. This opens export window. From here we can select where we want to export video. We can export it on local drive on our computer. Can also export videos for a specific device like iPhone, Android, Apple TV, Smart TV, Xbox, PlayStation or more. We can also export and upload our video directly on YouTube from here. Simply log in and go through the process. Can do the same for TikTok, Vimeo, and also export videos for DVD. Let's export our video to local drive, and for that click on local. Now from here we can give it a name, or can also use Wondershare Filmora AI copywriting tool to write YouTube video titles, YouTube video descriptions, YouTube video chapters or much more. Now from here selected YouTube video titles. Now then we need to enter what is your video about. I am writing here video editing for YouTube. Now click on generate. This generates video titles that we can use in our video. Simply choose and copy any of these and then paste it here. Next we can select location where we want to save video. Next in presets simply click on settings. Now we can select video quality, select it higher. Resolution we can select up to 4096x2160 for 4K videos. In frame rate we can select up to 240 fps. Select as per your video. Next in encoder select H.264. We can also compress video if you want to and choose compress quality. In audio we can select encoder, bitrate up to 320 kbps. After that click on apply. Next we can choose video format. We'll suggest you to use MP4 for YouTube videos. We can select resolution and frame rate from here as well. Can also backup on cloud or can generate highlight video that can be used for YouTube Shorts or TikTok. We can also add thumbnail for our video directly from here. Once we are ready, simply click on export. It starts exporting and may take some time depending on the video size. Once done, here we have confirmation. Click open folder and it opens folder containing our video. Now we can play it. I have edited this video for my YouTube channel using Wondershare Filmora by watching WM Original's video editing tutorial how to edit YouTube videos for beginners. I will highly recommend you to try out Wondershare Filmora if you are looking to edit your YouTube videos using one of the best video editing softwares for YouTube. Now once you have edited your video and exported it, you can upload it on YouTube, and for that you can simply go to your YouTube studio on browser and upload it. Here you should optimize your YouTube video title and description with keywords along with tags to get your video perform on YouTube. First, your job is not done after you have filmed, edited and uploaded video on YouTube. In order to get your video discovered on YouTube, you need to understand what will drive YouTube audience to click and watch your video instead of all other video available on YouTube. First, here are some of my tips. You should use a creative and likable thumbnail for your YouTube video and use a nice clickable YouTube title. Now after watching this complete video, you should know how to create a YouTube channel, create content for YouTube and know how to edit YouTube videos for beginners. If you liked the video and got value, let me know by smashing that like button. Thank you so much. Also share your views and feedback in comments. And if you are new to WM Originals, don't forget to subscribe for more useful content like this and hit bell icon to get notified when I post new videos. And if you want to watch videos in Hindi, do subscribe to my channel Techie Akhil. Thanks for watching. See you all in the next video. Have you accidentally formatted your hard drive? Now want to record permanently deleted files? If yes, then this video is exactly for you. Are you looking to record computer screen on Windows 10 or Windows 11? If yes, then this video is exactly for you.